Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Naan. First, gather your ingredients: 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Mix these dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate 1 cup of warm water, kneading for about 10 minutes until the dough is smooth. Cover it and let it rest for at least 60 minutes. Once your dough has beautifully risen, it's time to shape our naan. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Take each piece and roll it out on a lightly floured surface into an oval or teardrop shape. Aim for a thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. For an authentic touch, sprinkle some kalonji seeds or fresh cilantro on top before cooking. Now for the exciting part, cooking your naan. Heat a cast iron tawa or a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat until it's quite hot. Carefully place 1 rolled naan onto the dry tawa. Immediately brush the top surface with a little water. Cook for about 30 seconds until you see bubbles forming, then flip it over. Cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and slightly charred. Your delicious Desi Naan is ready. As soon as you take it off the tawa, brush it generously with melted butter or ghee for that irresistible flavor and shine. Serve these warm, fluffy naans immediately alongside your favorite Indian dishes, like a rich butter chicken or a hearty lentil dal. While best fresh, you can store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.